supporting the judiciary so that the judiciary can discharge its mandate. It is important that we have an efficient, independent judiciary, and that is why when the Judiciary Fund was finally rolled into place in June 1st this year, it was not just a celebration by the judiciary, it was a celebration by the people of Kenya, because we know that way we can have a much more efficient judiciary and many more cases can be concluded in a timely manner. And with an efficient judiciary, we can unlock the potential, the social potential, the economic potential of our country. And therefore, I look forward to working with the judiciary as we take our country to the next level. We have challenges in the time taken for corruption, especially, and commercial cases. I want to request the judiciary on behalf of the people of Kenya to support our administration in ensuring that corruption cases, commercial cases, land cases are adjudicated and concluded in a timely manner, because that way we can promote Kenya as a country that attracts investment. Investors can have more confidence in our country if we can dispense justice in a timely manner. So the other matters that I raised yesterday, the infrastructure that you require as a judiciary, we're going to work together within the limited resources that we have so that we can ensure that all arms of government are working in tandem. I want to assure you that my administration will respect the independence of the judiciary, will respect the independence of all the other institutions in a manner that makes them efficient to deliver on their respective mandates. We will promote dialogue between institutions and positive engagement so that we can all focus on how to take Kenya to a higher level. Whenever there are issues, there is always a mechanism for us to resolve whatever issues that may arise in the course of all of us discharging our separate mandates. And there is room in the Constitution for consultation and for engagement. And whenever there are issues, I am open to engagement and discussion and consultation for the better management of our country and for the efficient delivery of the mandate of each and every institution. We must deal firmly and decisively with impunity. Let me say this for the record, that Kenya can only be better if we become a country of the rule of law. Any other route leads to anarchy and confusion. So I ask all of us as Kenyans, we are all equal before the law and before our Constitution. And therefore, there must never be the case of the animal farm, where there are people who are more equal than others. We are all equal before the law. And if the rule of law is our benchmark, we can only succeed. So even as president, I have limitations, and I should respect those limitations. And all other arms of government have their limitations, and we must all live within the bounds of our mandate so that we can have a country that is based on the rule of law. Let me repeat again, it is the rule of law, not the rule of man. So that's the bare minimum that will make us a respected member of the international community and a society that is at peace with itself. So thank you very much. I do not wish to say more than that. I know the judges here have waited a bit longer than they should, but I think all that ends well is well. So asanteni sana, and may the good Lord bless you. Barikiwe sana. Asante.
Your Excellency, it's my humble request that the following photos be taken with the judges in the following order. Perhaps we can all be seated. Honorable Justice Muchelule Agri Otsula. Honorable Justice Korir Weldon Kipyagon. Honorable Justice Joel Mwaura Ngugi. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, with family perhaps. If Judge Ngugi's family is also there, that would be great, yeah.
After each judge,
Yeah.
please call the family.
Okay.
Make it easy.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Honorable Justice Odunga George Vincent, and then his family should follow immediately thereafter, if they're here. His family, please. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, indulge us so that we can have the families of Justice Muchelule also join him and yourself. Family, please. What's that? Okay, just stand there. Thank you very much. Could we now have the family of Justice Korir Weldon as well? Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Could we now have the Honorable Justice Makori Evans Kiago? Could the family also join him? Thank you very much. Could we now have Honorable Lady Justice Cheruiyot Mange? Could we have her family, the family of Justice Omange, join her?
But you don't announce because it's out of time.
Okay.
So we're just going to invite head GDP, Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, and Chief
You've already done that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the Chief Registrar to come to the courtyard.
Okay.
Just for a photo ops. We don't, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Davis. Thank you.
It's for a photo ops.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'll now request Your Excellency to pause for a photo with the 4 judges of the Court of Appeal. Could I request as well the Chief Justice and the Deputy Chief Justice to join His Excellency, and the Registrar as well. You want to take it up from there? On this one. Anakuja.
There's the President of the Court of Appeal to join them.
Yeah. Could we request, while we are at it, that His Excellency the Deputy President and the President of the Court of Appeal also join in that photo? Thank you very much. Is that okay? Okay. Thank you for guiding me. Could I also request the Chief Justice Emeritus to join in that picture? Thank you very much. Could I now request the Court of Appeal judges who've just been sworn in to to have their seats, and I request the 2 judges of the Environment and Land Court to join in that picture. Is that okay? Sorry. Is that it?
The rest of the judges step down, then it's before CJ and DCJ.
Yeah.
And then they call it the commissioner joining CJ.
Okay. Could I request finally, Your Excellency, for the rest of the judges to step back to their seats, except for the Chief Justice and the DCJ, and request members of the Judicial Service Commission to also have an opportunity to take a picture. Thank you very much. I'm getting which direction. Yeah. I think that's all right. Okay, that's it.
I'm worried. Make sure you don't announce what's going to happen there because it's out of time.
No, I'm
and
not.
the media could.
It's okay. Thank you very much. Finally, Your Excellency, allow me to request all the judges who have now been sworn in to join in this picture. It's a grand portrait. Together, I believe, with the President as well of the Court of Appeal. Oh yeah, I forget the presiding judge. I forget the presiding judge of the High Court. Apologies. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you very much.
So that's the edge.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'll request the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice, and the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary to join us at the courtyard for a final photo op. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. To the courtyard.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Mom, kotarenda tume thina-ini.
Koguo thina waku ni mbia. Wonete mbia ihinda ritu ria kinya. Ngai no agatutwara hari hagiriire. No utige tamaa.
Ukwenda thike ate na Njenga tondu Njenga kuma twi cukuru ni Njenga ndungire wa maundu make na Njenga endaga suruba tuciwa ndari haka.
Urarota ni kidukire.
Undeithia atia?
Njenga aume Amerika. Oke akuhikie.
Niki gikugiria hikie.
The Great Oasis Nanyuki. Mugunda uyu muraugurire nayo na turacokeria mwathani ngatho tondu riu title ni ciumite ni tuthondekete mabara maya mothe tugekira maramu tugekira marking fence nigetha nawe ukigire kindu mucii wa Nanyuki.
Ithuĩ Swell Merchants endia mega twa mĩgũnda nĩ tũragwĩtĩra British Fees njerũ kũrĩa gwa Kũng'ũ Nyahururu hakuhĩ na bypass ĩrĩa ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gwĩkĩrwo rami ya kuma Nyahururu gũthiĩ Nanyuki. British nĩ cia 8th na ciĩna ready title deed kũndũ gũthaka mũno kwĩna maĩ na thitima na no wake mũciĩ waku ona kana wĩigithie nĩ ũndũ wa rũciũ rwega. Nĩ tũgakorwo na open day Jumamothi tarĩki 17 mweri ũyũ nĩgetha tũgũtware ũkerorere British. Thogora naguo tũrengete biũ tũkendia kuma ciringi 95. Ũhoro makĩria no ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũhĩtũkĩra 0701038259 kana ũtũme kiugo land kũrĩ 21595.
Disha
Nĩkĩ?
no ũnjĩre mathĩna maku mothe.
Nĩkĩ Prithi thiararia na thauti ya thĩ ũguo? Ndĩraigua kĩndũ. Kana no nyume nja?
Niĩ ndabuata ngoro yakwa na gĩkeno gĩakwa.
No radio kinagiria cia thĩ ũguo. Nĩ we ndĩrarĩria we.
Taka ku live stream again. Experience our expanded 4G network coverage and send money for free on Airtel to Airtel. Make Chaguo smarter on voice, data, and now on Airtel Money. Airtel, the most affordable network.
Nyina wa mũndũ no ũmenyaga bata wa mũtugo mwega ta ngagũro njega ĩna mũrĩo o mũthenya na Blue Band ĩiyũrĩte omega 3 na 6 na hinya ũrĩa arabatara. Ngagũro na Blue Band kũria ũhotani wao mũthenya o mũthenya. Breakfast with Blue Band. Grow their success day by day.
Big leagues are back. Enjoy boosted odds on the English Premier League, the French Ligue 1, the German Bundesliga, La Liga, Italian Serie A, and many top leagues only on Shabiki.com. Kuwa Shabiki. Play now. Strictly not for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 416.